Start off with a base coat to protect your natural nail. Then paint your nails 2 coats of a yellow polish and let that dry completely. Now take a makeup sponge and paint on a stripe of yellow and orange. Roll the sponge over your nail and then lightly dab it up and down to blend the colors. Let it dry for about a minute before you reapply the polish to the sponge, and this time roll it diagonally over your nail. Let it dry for about 2 minutes and then apply a fast drying top coat to smoothen it out and blend the colors even more. This will also make it easier to paint on the design. Clean up around your nail with a Q-tip dipped into polish remover. You might want to wait until the polish is dried because you don't want the cut-in to get stuck in the polish. Paint a curved line diagonally near the cuticle. Now make 3 lines down the nail. Go back and fix the lines if necessary. Now curve the end of the lines. Outline the top part and the sides of your nail. Curve the last lines and then start filling in the bottom part of your nail. Make sure to cover it completely. Now go back and make the lines a bit thicker and more even. Now take a toothpick and make some white dots. Make a few smaller ones too. Allow the paint to dry for a couple of minutes before applying a fast drying top coat. And that's it for this tutorial.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed and subscribe for more tutorials.